The year is 2025. The world has changed. Technology is moving faster than ever before. In this busy world, OnPassive stands out. OnPassive isn't just a company, it's a vision of a future where technology helps everyone. This is the heart of OnPassive. OnPassive wants to make technology fair for everyone. It wants the internet to work for everyone. The company is building a whole system of AI-powered business tools. These tools are designed to be easy to use. OnPassive believes everyone should have the chance to succeed online, no matter their tech skills. OnPassive is committed to ethical AI. The company understands how powerful this technology is. It's dedicated to using it for good. OnPassive's goal is to create a sustainable future, a future where technology benefits everyone. This commitment to ethical AI makes OnPassive different. OnPassive is more than just a business, it's a movement towards a brighter digital future, a future where everyone has the opportunity to do well. This vision is what drives OnPassive forward. But before we get started, please subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. OnPassive offers AI-powered solutions for businesses of all sizes. From startups to corporations, it levels the playing field. Key offerings include an AI-driven marketing platform. It automates and improves campaigns. User-friendly and accessible to all. Other tools include a website builder and CRM. OnPassive is always innovating, building an ecosystem where businesses thrive. OnPassive is about more than just technology. It's about people. The company is built on community and working together. This is shown in its unique affiliate program. This program allows anyone to become an OnPassive partner and share in the company's success. The OnPassive affiliate program is designed to be open to everyone, no matter their background or experience. Affiliates earn commission by referring new customers to OnPassive. The more people they refer, the more money they make. This encourages affiliates to share OnPassive with others. OnPassive gives its affiliates all the tools and resources they need to succeed. This includes marketing materials, training programs, and ongoing support. The company is committed to the success of its affiliates. It sees them as part of the OnPassive family. The OnPassive affiliate program shows the company's values. It's about building a better future together. By empowering its affiliates, OnPassive is creating a wave of positive change. This is what sets OnPassive apart. OnPassive is not just selling a product, it is offering an opportunity, a chance to be part of something bigger, to build a better future for oneself and for others. Section 4. Dispelling doubts. OnPassive's legitimacy and impact. Like any new company, OnPassive has faced some questions. Some have questioned if it's genuine, others have doubted its potential. However, OnPassive's record speaks for itself. The company has already made big steps in the tech world. OnPassive has been praised by industry leaders for its innovative technology. It has formed partnerships with big players in the digital space. These partnerships show OnPassive's credibility and its potential to change the industry. Furthermore, OnPassive has a growing community of happy users. These users have experienced the benefits of OnPassive's products and services. Their stories are strong proof of OnPassive's legitimacy and its ability to keep its promises. OnPassive understands that trust is earned. The company is committed to being honest and communicating openly. It actively addresses concerns and provides evidence to back up its claims. This commitment to building trust is what sets OnPassive apart. OnPassive is not afraid of being checked. It welcomes it. The company is confident in its vision and its ability to deliver. OnPassive is here to stay. Section 5. A brighter future. Join the OnPassive movement. OnPassive's vision for 2025 is clear: to empower individuals and businesses through the power of AI. The company is building a more inclusive and fair digital world, a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. OnPassive is more than just a company, it's a movement towards a brighter future, a future where technology is used for good, a future where everyone has the chance to succeed. The OnPassive movement is growing. People from all walks of life are joining the OnPassive family. They are embracing the vision of a better future, a future powered by technology and driven by purpose. Are you ready to be a part of it? Join OnPassive today. Be a part of the change you want to see in the world. The future is here. The future is OnPassive. For more information about OnPassive and how it will help you make money while online, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.